Kitchens, whether big or small, if not organized, can be difficult to manage and can also reduce one's productivity. In today's video, I just want to show you 12 of my favorite organizers that I use in my kitchen. I would just like to let you know that none of these products are sponsored. I have bought them and used them for a while now, and some even for a couple of years. I just wanted to showcase them so that if you don't already have them, this could help you in your organizational journey. All the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get started. Baskets are easy storage solutions and it can be used in every room of the house. These handy organizers come in variety of styles, sizes and materials. You can easily group similar items in one basket and place them in their respective places. You can also label them for future references. One of the main reasons I like using baskets is because if you need to clean a particular area, you do not have to pick up individual items, but just pick up the entire basket and clean that area. I like placing eggs in this container instead of the tray that comes with the refrigerator. This box has 2 levels and it can house 24 eggs. There are plenty of containers that have just one level, but the reason I like it is because it utilizes the vertical space and leaves more ground space to store something else in the refrigerator. This is a fridge storage organizer. It is a clear box with a clear lid, a handle and 3 smaller bins. You can use the smaller bins separately, the bigger container separately, or use the entire unit as a whole. I personally love it because you can group similar items in this basket. I have placed 3 kinds of chilies and in the other 3 kinds of dry fruits. You can also use it for putting dhania, curry leaves and chilies or group items that you need regularly. I have used these kind of containers to store my spices. One is a glass jar and the other is a plastic container. I prefer the glass jars because the lids are pretty tight, whereas the plastic ones, even though the lid is clamped shut, sometimes while lifting it, it can come off very easily. So I'm not very confident about these plastic ones. Yes, but I would definitely recommend these small glass jars. I've used these containers to store my spices in the refrigerator as well as in my spice cabinet. I used to keep my spice bottles one behind the other in the cabinet, but me being not very tall, the bottles behind were not very easily accessible. I found these stair organizers and this has definitely been very convenient. These stair organizers help me utilize the vertical space of the cabinet and fetching the bottles are now so easy. This is a foldable storage rack organizer. These racks are such a space saver, and as you know by now, I love using vertical space and this really does the job. I have placed this rack on my kitchen counter and placed some water bottles and a cup stand on top and my bread basket underneath. I have also placed one in my son's wardrobe and 2 in my infant's wardrobe. I prefer keeping my bread in room temperature rather than in a fridge, and I was searching for a good bread box, and this really was a good buy. I removed the outer cover of the bread and placed the slices in this box. On the cover, I have stuck a chalkboard sticker and I mentioned the date, use by date, with a color pencil and stick it on the cover. It can be easily erased with a wet wipe. The bread remains fresh until its use by date. So far, I am really satisfied with this purchase. This is an over-door hanging basket. This basket can be hung on any cabinet door and you can maximize the cabinet capacity. I have used this basket to store my garbage bags and some wipes. I was looking for a good oil dispenser and found these two glass bottles. The smaller jar has a silicone brush attached to the lid and it is so convenient for brushing a dosa pan or parathas. This silicone brush doesn't melt, but it's better to avoid any high temperature. The taller bottle has a capacity of 1 liter and the spout is so small and hence very little oil gets poured out while cooking. As I don't have much counter space, I always look for kitchen space saver organizers. Now this is a cup stand. You can hang your cups on these handles. I used to place these cups on a tray initially, but this helps me save counter space. This stand I purchased from a mall, but you can get similar products online. I have mentioned the product links in the description box below. This is an undershelf storage rack. It has 2 handles at the side and requires no tools to be installed. You just have to slide it under a cabinet and there you have it, an instant additional shelf for storage. I have placed this under my kitchen cabinet to store my spice container and salt. I also have used it in my infant's wardrobe for extra storage space. So that was the last one. If you have some space saving organizers for the kitchen, do let me know in the comment section below. So until next time, have a lovely weekend. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.